No contentment to Allah. What is Allah is giving the blessings. That's we learned the lesson. Be content with Allah. Whatever Allah give, be happy with it and not complain that I don't like this and I like this. Rather to be thankful to Allah, grateful to be Allah, and always to be content. When you said, "Oh Musa, we're not going to be patient with one kind of food, that every day manna and salwa, we want something new, what they need. So call upon your Lord to bring out for us from the which earth produces." And they mention in the herbs like spices and cucumber and garlic and lentils, the dal, the lentils, the beans, and the onions. Qala said, are you going to exchange adna, the low quality, in exchange with the high quality? Allah is giving the best of the meal, the manna and salwa. Then you want to replace it with herbs and cucumber and garlic and onion and lentils. But Allah is giving you perfect food. But that's what they like it. They request it for those earthly produce things. So it was said, are you going to exchange with something inferior in exchange with something better, the higher quality? Ibitu misran fa inna lakum ma sa'altum. Go out in a city, then you will find what you are asking for. وَضُرِبَتْ عَلَيْهِمُ الظِّلَّةِ. And it was put upon them the zillah, the dishonor, the humility. وَالْمَسْكَنَةِ, and the poverty. وَبَاءُ بِغَضَبٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ, and they were reminded and they were returned to the punishment from Allah, from God, the anger from Allah, the punishment, the anger here mentioned, and of course, when God angered, then He sent the punishment. Like we can see the earthquakes and floods and typhoons. These are the kinds of punishments of God. And the poverty become a punishment. The war become the punishment from God. ذَلِكَ بِأَنَّهُمْ, there are such كَانُوا يَكْفُرُونَ بِآيَاتِ اللَّهِ, who are becoming the disbelieving in our verses, in our signs. وَيَقْتُلُونَ النَّبِيِّينَ بِغَيْرِ الْحَقِّ, and they were killing the prophets without right. ذَلِكَ بِمَا أَسَوْا, and that is because they were disobedient to Allah. وَكَانُوا يَعْتَدُونَ, and they were exceeding in the limits. So that's why Allah always punished them. We can see today how they are dealing with the people of Palestine. They are being murdering, starving, genocidal, and all these things. And there is a punishment came to them before. Allah will send again punishment, because Allah is justice. The human being forget to do justice. But Allah, the God, He never forget to do justice to the people. You whatever you do, if you don't ask repentance from Allah, Allah will give you the punishment in this world. And on the next life, there will be a great punishment in the hellfire.